Good morning everyone, welcome to Stock Market Analysis presented by Ray Financial. Today is December 1st, 2015. So guys, in front of us we have the chart of Nifty and I'm quickly going to run through the analysis for December. In my previous videos you had seen that I clearly indicated that we are in a downtrend, and that's what happened. So we played out the inverse head and shoulders, which I'll just mark it out quickly. This was the inverted head and shoulders, and then we had to break the neckline, and then we want to move up. Now the reasons for it to move down from this point, let's mark it in green, from this point, is because we had the gap fill out here. The market gap down, so we had to fill it, plus we had the 200 DMA, and plus the head and shoulders pattern played out. One more thing which I will just show it to you is that not a lot of people are talking about the downtrend that we are in. We are in a downtrend since March, if I'm not mistaken. This is where I expected market to find support, and we did find support at this area. Market bounced back and is moving up. I also had marked this as an area of support, but likely I think market found a lot of buying around the 7,670. Yeah, around this area we started to move up. Now where is the market heading from this point? Let me pull out the retracement, but before the retracement, let me see if I can nicely zoom the chart and show you the long-term downtrend. So I'm going to use Sher Khan's trend tool and just clearly mark our trend line. Okay, so here we are. This is the downtrend. I can add another line over it, but first let's just put the retracements level. Okay, so from here we have our retracements clearly marked out, and now this is what I'm going to show you. So this is the very strong downtrend that we are in. You can see the market has started from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now let's see how this one plays out. This was the support area, this is another support area. So let's just remember 7,550, 7,600, 7,700. Yeah, let's just keep 7,700. That's where the market kind of bounced back from. Now usually in retracements, what I've always find is that the market tends to pull back at least 38% or 61% or 78%. Now unfortunately I have not marked the 78%, but that's not a problem. So this is one area which is 7,980. we're almost there today. I think we did make a high, and now we are around this area. The second level is going to be 8,100, and the third one, which would be about 78%, is going to be around this, which would be 8,200. Now try and understand that when this pattern will start playing out. Alright, let me give you another color. Let's take white. I think white is going to play out better. Once we reach from here, okay, 38% if we break. Alright, so let's be careful. 38% if we break, we will start moving down. What if we start move to 61%? What if we start moving to 78%? If we start moving to 78%, bang on, we might again test the long-term downtrend. We might even do the gap fill, which is around here. A lot of things will indicate that there is going to be a selling pressure now. Plus what's going to happen is that I am spotting a very big head and shoulders pattern here. Now look, left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder will be formed like this. It's not yet formed. Probably it can get formed if we start moving from 38.2% down, if we start moving from here down, or we start moving from here down. So there are two possible places where the right shoulders can happen. However, remember that this is going to be a neckline, which is again the 7,000 or 7,750 area, the place from where we took off from here, this area, this is going to be support. Okay, and after this area is going to be support, the 7,550. If we break this, then yes, there is further downside. So play this market carefully. The reason I see the uptrend right now is because it's December, and usually there is always a Santa rally. There's a Santa Claus rally happening in December, and then January, it suggests how the market is going to be for the whole year. So this is how I usually have seen the market play out. I am sure a lot of people who are in this market, they know exactly what I'm talking about. Now on the weekly, I will show you how the long term trend will play out, like how I feel the market is actually going to play out. So let's just mark let's just make this chart nice and crisp so we can easily spot everything. Okay, here we are. So I'm going to again use Sher Khan's tool. I'm going to mark our downtrend. Alright, this is our downtrend. We had our touches, which is 1, 2, and then again 3, which you saw in the daily. This was 4. Probably this one will become 5 here, but you can see even here making a lower low, lower high pattern that I can clearly mark out for you guys. We're going up, we're going down, we're going up, down, up. Okay, this we broke the pattern, but then we formed a new one, and now we are back. So this is definitely a sign of how markets usually go in a downtrend. It's not like one long line. Markets just don't go like this every time or like this. It's a series of ups and downs. That's how the market goes down. Well, anyways, let's focus here. So what's going to happen once we break this area? Okay, 7,550. Let's remember this, 7,550. Or if you want me to mark out a more clear line, so let's just get this to 7,545. So 7,550. That's what I have been saying all this while. It is the most strong area of support. After which it will be followed by this area. I think 7,400, no, but I feel it's going to be this. It's definitely going to be this area because that's where the market really rides. So 7,200, yeah. For me, the break point would be 7,200. So let's just mark this let's just mark it in white right now. So let's remember 7,550, and let's remember 7,200. If we break 7,200, yes, we are going to come down. Now where are we going to come down? We're going to come down probably to this area, which is 6,426. So I would say 6,400 or give and take 6,500. That's the zone that we're going to be in, and I feel from here the market is going to pick up. Why will the market pick up from here? Because it will be almost a big retracement. Let's put these Sher Khan tools or the demand zone. I like these. Okay, so let's not take that's 6,000 to 6,200, but I feel that the market might start moving up, from this point, 6,350. This would be a good area where you see the market moving up. Now let's do the retracement from there to here. Don't know what just happened. Okay, so yeah, perfect. I just did not put the high, and that's the reason. Okay, there. So if you see this area, the 68% is 7,150, which was very close to 7,200, my first support area. If that breaks, we will see the market come down at this, and this is again, I think around this area. It's a 78%, and you will see the market getting choppy. You will see it get it settled. But for December, let's just get into the daily chart. Okay, the daily chart. Let me remove all the tools for you so you have a clear picture of what's going on. So on the daily chart, yes, December is up. Then if we break this down, 7550, from 7550, we'll come here, or probably here, 6000. I don't see any other area where the market may find support. Possibly out here, because there is a gap. So around 7100, or actually if you let's see where 7200 comes. Yeah, probably around this area, because there is a gap fill out here. So 7200, and then we might see the market move up. So be careful. Like I said, keep in mind the long-term downtrend. Let's see the this is a really cool tool I like in share count. This is your supply area. This is going to be your demand zone. If we break this, this is going to be your demand zone. Okay, no, not this. This side. From here to here. Yeah. So this is going to be your demand zone. So this is how I feel the market will play out. Just watch. This is your this is the market for December and probably like Jan, but you will have a new video in Jan. Alright guys, I hope this video helps you guys. Good luck with your trading, and talk to you soon.